Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Outdoors. We are doing some sucker fishing here on the White River. Check it out. Let's see if we catch anything. YouTube, play my intro. We gotta get down here. Oh, it got away! It got away! Oh my God, it got off the hook. He's right there. I almost grabbed it with my hand.
Hey, Tyler, that counts because if you're fucking that guy would stop playing with a phone.
Oh, whatever. Whatever. He didn't land it. Ooh. Tyler, come look at this one, dude.
Settle down.
I know. Dude, it's like double the size of your foot. What size shoe you wear?
11 and a half, so right there. About 2 foot.
You were 11.5 foot, dude.
Yeah, 11 and a half.
For as short as you are, that's big feet. You know what to say about big feet?
Yeah,
Small penises.
big shoes.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no, no. My body never know. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no, no. My body never know. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no, no.
Hey, stop your radio. Stop your radio. Hey, lawn dog. So Tyler finally caught a fish, and he broke the pole. Oh my God, dude! Nice. Nice. Oh my God, we're gonna have to give you my other pole now. Look at that.
He was putting up a fight.
Snapped right in half.
You had that one for a while too, huh?
Yeah, that's old. This is a cheap pole. That's why you use them little ones. You come grab this blue one down here. You just use that one.
I got like 5 poles at home too. I brought another one.
Well, I usually have 3.
But honestly, that pole he's got, even the one you got,
This is cheap. Same thing. There's
it's
actually
too small for this thing.
It is. But that's why I use them.
Like this rod right here ain't gonna break.
You want to borrow this now?
This one won't fucking break.
Yeah, that one shouldn't break either.
And that one won't either, but it's used to catching fucking.
Want to try one of these now?
Those are more for like perch and bluegill. I'd rather use that than that fucking thing. Why? He's just not gonna use one?
No, he's going to go down there.
Oh. Oh, this thing's fucking heavy.
Hey, you know, I'm actually okay that it broke between those 3, because now it gives me a reason to go buy a new pole.
Oh no!
Oh man!
That's a good one too, dude.